This motor is a little low in oil, so I gotta be quick from what it seems, but we might be buying this for 600 bucks. It's got a weird slap going on. But yeah, can't talk too much because I gotta get going back. Yeah. This might be the next project. I just dropped the car off, and now we're walking to go get that other car. I paid 500 bones for this baby. 500. It's got a misfire on cylinder 1. Hopefully, just swapping the plugs and some injectors fixes it. It's naturally aspirated, it's not the GT. So we don't have to deal with oil starvation or anything like that, which is really nice. But hopefully this should be a pretty good flip. Oh, I'm excited. Back, we're gonna see if this thing fires up. And it's got power. Oh. Okay. Oh, you can feel it. The dug, 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 dug. I'm literally gonna baby this thing so lightly. Hopefully we can get that situated. It sounds like it wants to die. Yeah, it does have a pretty rough idle. Let's see, there's a stop sign coming up. I'll throw my seatbelt on. This thing smells intrusively like fucking weed, and there's bugs everywhere, but that's not that big of a deal. We can just clean it, vacuum, put some smell trees. Oh, little baby. Oh, this car sounds so bad. Everyone's looking at me. It's just the cylinder, guys. Leave it alone. Damn, that girl has 9 kids. Oh. See, I was gonna make a joke about a girl having 9 kids because she looked like it. Let's just say I wasn't far off. Torque converter's good. This car, besides the engine, this car is really nice. And I'm curious to see if we can swap these seats out, because we may fuck around and put these seats in the fucking 2007. These seats are nice. Bluetooth, which is also really cool. A radio that actually works. My Subaru, the radio doesn't work. I've tried multiple sessions, is a good way of putting it. Multiple hour long sessions. Multiple hours. Still can't figure out why the fucking thing doesn't work. We're figuring it out. Why are you stopped? I guess because there's a school bus. Look. Literally the slap rocks the whole fucking car. That is so bad. Oh. 130 on the dash though. It's pretty late, but I want to see something. Okay. Oh, almost fell over. So that's that. This rubber seems okay. We are out here working on the Lexus and taking the little air box off. Got this out of the way. Honestly, they ain't shit in that, so we can just unbolt that. I already took the spark plug out, and then we're gonna try to see if we can get a little look-see Maybe swap the plug, see if it follows, because if it follows, it's just this. We can swap this out really easy. But yeah. And God, it is cold. Whew. A lot of random like oil spills and stuff, or like this power steering leak, pretty common. Batteries fucked. A little dirty. There's no coolant. There's really no oil in this thing. Luckily, we do have oil right there, so should be able to do that. Pretty sure these two cars take the same oil. Yeah, let's get a flashlight and try to see down that. It does not all look to our happy hour. Get you guys a better look inside. What you guys see? Let me know. We are gonna have to pull those plugs. I think we are gonna try to swap these coils. See what happens though. This one isn't on good, but this is the one that's misfiring. So we got this one in. We're gonna try and see if the misfire still happens. We do have my scanner in, so I am probably gonna have to get the scanner out. Battery still works. Oh, not the hapo. It's because of that spark, or it's because of that ignition coil. Ah, God damn it. So guys, I think we found our problem. Yeah, that don't seem too happy. Thank God I pulled that off, because it looks like it may have like corroded together and ripped this out. Holy, that's kind of nuts. Oh, these ones are kind of stuck too. Let's grab the screwdriver. See if we can lightly pry these off. Lightly pry these off, puts a hole in it. Okay. Just gotta let some air in there, break the seal. And then wiggle it, diggle it. Oh yeah. Yeah, that one's pretty oxidized too. Okay. Well, gotta change that, because that's not supposed to look like that. Put all that passenger. Okay. Probably gonna get this off just because we can right now. Try to get these other plugs out, and then I'll get back to you guys. Real quick, guys, I just wanted to mention, you see all this white stuff over here? Down here. I'm really curious if this thing had a coolant explosion. Battery out. Probably shouldn't have done that. We're probably gonna end up cleaning the throttle body also, because these throttle bodies are known for getting dirty and then running kind of ass. Main relay box fuse. This has a different fuse box. Something I'm not fully used to. It also has no like battery holders. It's got the clips for them, it looks like, or the holes, I mean. Well, that one don't look too clean. Can't get that other plug out. The other one's being a little bastard. But we got this one out. Almost there. That fucker was stuck, but we got it. Now, I'm gonna do this clip. Let's see if I can do this one-handed real quick. Ooh. Hello, Clippies. Good morning. Kill. Yeetus, deletus, the screwdriver. Now, pull one. Go like that. Put this here. And then we get one more. Getting this one in and out is gonna be kind of a bitch. So we may, Oh, you guys can't really see what I'm doing, but I can. I think this has to come out. Got those two bolts out. So now we can just literally pick this up. Hopefully it's not leaking. But now, we can just grab this, easy peasy. Oh, make sure this don't get stuck on the cable. Go. Yeah, this engine bay definitely needs a clean, but once it's clean, it doesn't look like it'll be too bad. I'm curious if is there any fluid in here? A little bit of fluid in there. There you go. You can kind of see a reflection. More or less just wanted to make sure there was at least fluid. Okay. How are these belts? Ooh. They're pretty Warno. Warno DiGiorno. Oh yeah, they got cracks. So we'll be replacing the belts too. Probably want to take this slip off. Holy fuck, guys. Is that carbon buildup? Whoa. That's crazy. I've never seen that. We are working on the Subaru today, and it's pretty rough. Obviously, I've taken a bunch of things out. I did get the borescope today, so maybe we'll try to look down those holes. The doors, fucked. I don't like what? What do you mean? Dent there, dent there. Scratches all through the moon. This door's fine. Has obviously scratches, but scratches are it's got that little blemish. Bumper, el fuckoed. Trunk is good. I like this Subaru's taillights. They're a lot cooler than that one. So this is the one that I have. And in a prior episode, we were spray painting this, and we still have to do this side, this back. But that's the taillights I have. I like those ones a lot more. They're a lot cooler. Rims, trashed. Might try to sand them, spray paint them, see what we can do with that. I mean, there's not really much we're going to be able to do with it. They're universal rims. Look at all those holes, baby. This door, also fucked. That door, pretty fucked. It doesn't scrape though. It opens. Fucked. Double fuck. What the fuck? Do we have a single exit exhaust? Are we missing a muffler? I haven't looked down here. Wait. I have yet to look under this car. What the fuck? Wait, is that just an open flange? Ugh. Let's get over here. Oh, no, the battery. Can we see? Holy motherfuck. Well, that might be a problem. That might be a problem. We are going to clean this engine bay. Now, we literally have a spray bottle and towels, and I think I might have tore something in my left shoulder, but we're gonna figure this out. Try to make this look a lot better. We'll get to when we do that. You guys can probably tell from my voice, but this thing is fucking disgusting, and I need to get a mask. It was a lot worse than this. This isn't clean. We got 3 hubcaps. I'm missing one. One's pretty cracked. I'm curious what rim that was. But getting the vacuuming done. Vacuum most of the engine. This is looking a little better, very slowly. Little update with the Subaru. Got the lights looking a million times better than they were before. Engine bay did get a little dirty doing it, but this engine bay was so disgusting before. It's crazy. Like, all over here, it was all black. There's still a little back there, which I may try to end up and clean because it's kind of bothering me, but cleaned the wall, cleaned all that. Over here, tried to clean this, but the reality is that the battery's going to be going right over it, so it's not that big of a deal. But got the car jacked up, and I think I'm going to get some hubcaps or something for the rims. But we have to figure out this exhaust. That's Bluetooth connected. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's get a better view of this. That Bluetooth connection.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
But what I'm thinking is we may end up cutting the pipe like right around here, and then or somewhere around here, but just straight piping it. We don't need this muffler. I guess technically I could like weld a new flange, and then cut that, weld a new flange, see how that is. But we need this exhaust off. I didn't get that exhaust off. Okay, so I just popped it up to do an oil change, and I think that's a bunch of, hold up, I gotta, God, I'm kind of nervous to get under here. Like, what? How? That's a bunch of belt stuff. It seems like the oil pan maybe wasn't screwed all the way down. Yeah, it straight up seems like it's leaking straight out of the oil pan. Oh. I wonder, not if, but when this blew a head gasket. There's the, oh, look at it. Okay, well, let's do an oil change. What's that? Dirt bikes. Ugh. Holy shit, we did it. Okay. You know, that oil actually, it could look worse. Just seems dirty. I'm not, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's fucking brown. But it doesn't seem like there's a fuck ton of metal flakes or... Does seem a wee milky. Oh, look at the spider. I'm sorry, buddy. You're gonna be coated in oil for the rest of your life. I don't know if you're gonna survive that one, my friend. We are back, and camera's charged up a little bit. I ended up taking the other spark plug out to see what it looks like, and look at this. This is really interesting. So, you can actually tell, oh, let it, there you go. You can tell which one was basically not running, just getting all gunked up. This one was being used and abused. It's got a little carbon on it. But yeah, took both those out. Funnily enough, the freaking tool ended up getting stuck and popped off, and I was like, oh no. Put the magnet in there, it didn't stick. I was like, oh no. So I put it in there, just kept screwing. Luckily it didn't strip, and it's unscrewed. It's kind of dirty. They're all kind of dirty. I gotta check the brand. I think these are the original ones. So got the tool, grabbed them out, got them packed off so nothing gets in there. I do want to clean those, so I'm gonna look into possibly cleaning that. This has been off for a while. Do that, and it is kind of warm, which is nice. So oil's been dripping out. It should be fully done at this point. We're back with a little update with the Subi, and I've actually cleaned this. I think I've cleaned it really well, but we're gonna see, because we got pack coils right there. This thing goes right there. Gotta get some fans and shite, but we're firing it up today. I'm genuinely nervous. So yesterday I baking sodaed all the inside. We cleaned it, and I put baking soda in here, and I let it sit. And it looks like it actually pulled up a decent amount. Let's get this cleaned up though, because this is disgusting. Okay, my hands are done. My hands are done. Put that back in there. Put that back in there. Now, time to go work on the front. We don't need to get another battery. We do have a battery charger though, so. We have everything situated. Coolant stuff, ignition stuff, both belts. Over here, we got the belt tendering. Let's get installing. Now, originally, I was gonna do a timing chain, or a timing belt, sorry. But if you want me to be honest, I have work, and I am starting a business for this summer. And I do not have time if this engine does skip timing or something. So it's just not worth it to me. So I did actually end up returning it. But we're gonna be reinstalling all that other stuff, cleaning some things. Hell yeah. Try to get a better view of down here. Got some rocks and crap we're gonna clean out. Probably clean those hoses off. This engine looks so much better than when I first got it. So much better. Okay. I am really nervous, but it's time to start this thing. Come on, please. Need some trash room. Only one fan is turning on. Okay. That fan is working. This connector is on. Hopefully you didn't destroy the connector somehow. Do you want me to be honest? I don't even know if both of these are supposed to turn at that time. I don't know. I did hear that one click though. I'm so fucking scared. Let's go! You hear anything? I know! Thunder! Let's go! And it don't sound that bad. Okay. Throw some windows down. Let's get some air in here. Idling fine. Oh. So remember, it does still have that exhaust issue. And technically, we did clear the battery. So we should see if it's still knocking or not. So that definitely doesn't sound as bad as it did before. Oh, we still have two pieces up. Look. I'm curious to see if it dies out when we park it here. Let's park it real quick. Let's go grab those two pieces. We're definitely gonna have to scan it. I don't think that's a misfire. I don't know though. We're gonna, there's 3, 2, and 1. Definitely idles so much better than it did before.